My smoothies are ready, anytime, anywhere, just like I need to be. Hi, I'm Will Jacks. Cricket has taken me to a lot of places, but it all started on local grounds in England. Every day, every session has shaped me to be the cricketer I am today. Being a batter means I need to stay sharp, whether it's early mornings at the gym or long evenings in the field. It's about being ready, inside and out. And let's be honest, I love my smoothies, but with the constant travel and tight schedules, making them on the go isn't always easy. The Hamilton Beach portable blender changed that. Now, I can throw in my favourite fruits, blend anywhere and stay fueled without missing a beat. My smoothies are ready, anytime, anywhere, just like I need to be. Staying on top of my game isn't just about the big moments, it's about the little choices I make every day. And with the Hamilton Beach portable blender, I know I'm making the right choices.